Yeah.
Killed overnight in a high-speed crash. Now, witnesses told police that driver was hitting speeds of up to 140 miles per hour. I'm Rochelle Choi is in Northwest Harris County with more on what led up to this tragedy.
Guys, this was a chaotic scene. This morning, you can still see skid marks. That high-speed crash happened last night here along the 290 feeder near West Little York, with hundreds of onlookers standing all along these sidewalks. And authorities say it all started as an underground car meet. Take a look at the wreck captured on a witness's cell phone cam. In the video, you see a yellow Camaro speed by, then crash into another driver. That impact sending the second car straight into a crowd of onlookers on the sidelines. One man was killed. Two others, believed to be teenage boys, also in the crowd, were severely injured. They were flown to hospitals. Several others were treated at the scene. Witnesses say the driver of the yellow Camaro, identified by investigators as Andrew Mock, told the crowd moments before he crashed he was going to do a flyby, a high-speed pass past the crowd.
One person is dead. Two others are said to be fighting for their lives, hit by a car during an illegal car meetup last night. And the video of the crash has been shared all over social media.
This happened off the Northwest Freeway near Little York around 9:30 last night. KPRC 2's Brittany Jeffers is live at the scene with the details of the moments leading up to that collision. Brittany.
Witnesses say they were standing right here in this parking lot when they saw that tragic accident. You can still see some of the tire marks here in the parking lot, as well as up here in the feeder road. And investigators told us this was part of an illicit underground car meet. They say this reckless behavior has to stop.
I saw flashing lights and I heard a bunch of commotion, and I saw these tire marks over here. So we were driving in here slowly and I saw everyone running.
Witnesses describe what they say was a horrific accident off of 290 in West Little York.
We had heard the crash. We turned. I saw the yellow Camaro literally like kind of fly in the air a little bit. And then he was sliding against the wall is kind of what it looked like at the time. And he was kind of just sliding that way down the street.
This